Technology, Digital Media, and Curriculum Integration by me, Layla Chavez. Instructions for use. Copyrights, presentation disclaimer. Certain information and materials that are included in this presentation have been prepared according to the Educational Multimedia Fair Use Guidelines and are restricted for further use. Hello, I am Layla Chavez. The course that I'm taking is the Spring Comp Apps in Consumer and Family Science. The assignment name, VOPP-CC. What is digital media? This term is defined and combined with technology, multimedia, and digital media. These terms typically tend to overlap with one another and are often interpreted differently but interchangeably. Technology. Technology is a term used to describe the application of scientific knowledge for practical practices, such as specialized training and programs with graphic arts or education. Multimedia. Multimedia incorporates a variety of elements, the use of a variety of communicative medias. An example of this would be text, image, audio, media, and animation activities. Big concept. Multimedia brings out the meaning of digital media, which refers to the interaction of any computer-based presentations or applications. Digital media versus multimedia. Digital media applications are important because it assists and brings effective teaching to students in classrooms when used effectively. Multimedia are platforms where space is allowed for you to make, share, or view content, being able to have an array of communication. Classroom integration. Technology integration is a combination of all technology parts. Also, using technology to help meet the certain curriculum standards. Curriculum integration. Extensive engagement of technology into the education of all grade levels. Technology into specific areas in the classroom allows students to gain experience. What is curriculum? Curriculum is defined as knowledge, skills, and performance standards students are expected to acquire in a particular grade or level in education. One big impact: barriers of technology integration. Technology begins to become more of an active role in the classroom. However, the key to successful technology integration is identifying what you are trying to accomplish within the curriculum. How successful was integration of technology in the classrooms? Classrooms now have access and can communicate with new material and make learning more fun, like learning videos, online quizzes, educational apps, and gamification. Study 1. The purpose of this conducted research is to give a description of the educator's values, beliefs, and confidence, changing from a traditional environment to an integrating technology. Participants were individuals from 50 countries recruited from the Association for Education, Communication, and Technology, ranging from 1 to 50 years of teaching. The conclusions and recommendations for this study. 42 participants shared their aspects of the change process leading to the future change efforts in the classroom. Stats indicated results suggested that the responses were diverse for contribution to student learning. Methods used. Collection of membership through an internet-based website where members self-selected participants after an online questionnaire, which is qualitative descriptive study. The process is easy. First, you create more virtual applications for students and teachers. Then, you move into a technology-driven learning platforms. Lastly, you continue studying ways to enhance the cognitive skills of students. Let's review some concepts. Yellow. Yellow is the color of gold, butter, and ripe lemons. In the spectrum of visible light, yellow is found between green and orange. Blue is the color of the clear sky and the deep sea. It is located between violet and green on the optical spectrum. Red is the color of blood, and because of this, it has historically been associated with sacrifice, danger, and courage. References. Special thanks to all the people who made and released these awesome resources for free. Here are the links that I use. Thank you.